This will be a speed test between the Xiaomi Redmi K20 Pro versus the Huawei P30 Pro. Now the K20 Pro, this one has the Snapdragon 855 and 8 gigs of RAM. Huawei P30 Pro, this one has the Kirin 980. This one is the 6 gigabytes of RAM model. They're both on Android 9 and on their latest versions of their respective skins. Turn on both at the same time. See which one has faster boot up. Let's go. Gonna give the boot up win to the K20 Pro. This phone turns on hella fast. And we are in! Nothing in the background on both. As you can see, all apps and caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. P30 messages. Ooh, very close, maybe the P30 again. The camera. We'll do it like this so you can see the viewfinder, and let's go. Tie. Clock on both phones. Run the stopwatch on both. Leave that running in the background. Chrome. Do a search for GSM Arena. Go. Let's see which one. Ooh, very close. Basically a tie. We'll go to the desktop version. Go. Ooh, very close. You guys let me know in the comments. Pinch to zoom. Nice and butter on the P30. Do the same thing on the K20 Pro. Smooth as well. Calculator. Very close. The Play Store. Do a search for my favorite. This one. A little bit faster on the K20. Go ahead and click on it. And we'll click install. Hell no. Leave it there. Amazon Shopping. Ooh, so close. Maybe the K20 on this one. We'll click on this deal of the day. eBay. Oh man, so close. Slow down the video for me. Click on this iPhone 10, we'll leave it there. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. Ooh, and give the win to the K20. Tap to begin. K20 faster here as well. Temple Run 2. Ooh, I think we may have a draw here. Let's find out. Very close on both. Let's see. So close. We do have this pop up here. Don't know what that is. There you go. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both phones. K20 is ahead. Will the P30 catch up? No, it does not. And give the win to the K20 Pro on this one. Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 Legends. Let's see. Oh! Another draw. We'll tap play once. PUBG Mobile, let's go. Oh, K20's ahead. Checking for updates now on the P30. Loading on the K20, loading now on the P30. What will happen right now? Oh, and give the win to the Redmi. P30's right behind it though. Photoshop Express, let's go. Both phones has this pretty cool 8K image. I'm gonna go ahead and click on the vibrant filter here. And I'm gonna jack this filter up all the way. That looks pretty good. I'm gonna click on this on both. And I'm gonna save the gallery and see which one will do it faster. And let's go. A little bit faster on the K20, followed immediately by the P30 Pro. Twitter. A little bit faster on the right, Instagram. P30 again, Snapchat. P30. Let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. A little bit of a lag on the K20. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Xiaomi fan? Do you have a Xiaomi phone like this K20 Pro, Xiaomi Mi 9, a Xiaomi Mi Mix, Xiaomi Pocophone F1? Or do you like Huawei phones like this Huawei P30 Pro, Huawei Mate 20 Pro? If you have a Huawei phone and live in the US, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna get rid of it, sell it, or just keep it? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.